they would roam around. They would walk around Rome, during night to save babies that are being thrown away. So it was very common for those Christians, early Christians. Now, a family would have 10 adopted children. Yeah. And one day, one of the emperors, his name is Julian the Apostate. Sabi niya, ano ba naman? Yung mga Kristiyano, he called them Galileans. Galileans. Sabi niya, what made the Christians so effective was, sabi niya, they're not only caring for their own poor, they're caring for ours also. Did you imagine that? In the early church, we were caring for them. And that's why helping others, it really prepares people for the gospel. People now who will not talk to you, when you help them, God will open the door for you to talk to them. Right? So this is why we do Cornerstone. God has opened a door for us. Again, He brought us a Assumption Call. And because He wanted us to serve the people in that area. And we are discovering how God is providing for all that we need. Now, the rest of the notes po, ito po yung mga other reasons about Jesus and all that. And I think the others po, I thought that, anong oras naman? Okay. Do you want some questions? Okay. I think we can have some questions, right? I think it would be good to, just for you to ask questions. Okay. Are there other questions you want to ask?